I love to cook. I always have.
Alex Purbiance had dreamed of owning a restaurant since he was 14. That became a reality in 2014 when he opened Simone's Café.
Here we just keep it simple. We chicken fried steak, burgers, and hash browns.
But with any restaurant, there are always customer favorites.
Hands down, the chicken fried steak and the biscuit blowout.
When I asked what the Biscuit Blowout was, he answered straight away without hesitation.
It's a showstopper. They bring it out and everybody goes, "Ooh, what's that? What's in that?" Biscuit blowout is a biscuit opened up, has ham, bacon, sausage on it, hash brown, 2 eggs, and it all comes in a big old bowl smothered in gravy and cheese.
I sampled it, of course, and yes, it was delicious and very filling. Folks do love their breakfast menu.
Oh, it was just like Mama made it. I grew up in a small town where we had a cafe just like this, and my mom ran it. So I like coming to eat here because it reminded me of the food that I used to get when I was a kid.
But their lunch menu has several favorites too. Alex says he is told often he has the best burgers in town, and they are some of the largest I've ever seen.
We love to send them out as tall as we can. If they want grilled onions on it, my dad always told me you cannot put too many grilled onions on a hamburger. So I took that as a challenge. I love it whenever they order bacon, sauteed onions, mushrooms, stack it up as tall as we can, and we just shove a steak knife down the middle of it and send it out.
And of course,
they gotta try the chicken fry. They gotta try the chicken fried steak.
I have to say, I think Simone's has the best chicken fried steak ever, and it's consistently delicious. The breading is just right. It's not greasy. It's not, too doughy. Perfect. But I love the hash browns.
The food here is wonderful. I've never had anything that wasn't delicious. And the prices are excellent. And I especially like it because you can get fresh fruit. It's about the only place I know in town that you can actually get fresh fruit with your breakfast.
My situation is now that I am trying to eat smart, and so luckily they do have vegetables, they have nice fruit, they have the, upon request, they fix breakfast exactly the way I ask for it.
Alex goes above and beyond to make his customers happy every single day. His passion is cooking. He loves preparing what is described as good old-fashioned home cooking, and his recipes are his own.
They're mine, yes, but no, none of them are really family recipes. They're just, I've listened to my customers and tried to accommodate to what they want.
Well, I think it's definitely worth the drive from wherever you're coming from and to have breakfast all day, which is a local, I think, a local favorite. The quality of anything you get is just so comfort food, good home cooking, and it's just delicious overall.